Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Coachics.com. So as you can see right here, we have it here on the website. So basically they sell apparel for women like this. Oh, there's a pop-up. And as you can see, they sell dresses like these for women, mostly for women. And these are for men, like beach shirts, which has a really high quality. This looks pretty amazing right here. And there are a lot of sites like these which and turn out to be a scam. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, we have it here on a Trustpilot and see that they're rated poor, which is 1.9 out of 5 stars. Majority of them, almost all of them are 1 star. So as you can see, returns not allowed. They said it was delivered, but it was not. This site is extremely misleading. Why didn't I read these reviews first before I bought them? They make their stuff look great in pictures. Scam. This crappy Chinese junk is not worth it. Very poor experience, absolute scam, and a lot more. So please refrain from buying from this website, since there are also a lot of sites like these which claim to have huge discounts, and which in turn will entice you to buy, but it turns out to be a scam. So please do not buy from this website. They're a scam. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.